service providers, like ODJ, the promoters, the bottle girls, because even the bottle girls they get to experience all of this. Yabo bonke ama service providers aza kulo nightclub lawo bagengaphe nje bonke behlale ndawonye babe ne-union yabo, inyunyana yabo ekwaziwayo. Inyunyana yabo ekwaziwayo ukuthi yena okay, mawi-bottle girl noma u-DJ noma uyi-promoter, this is how much you get paid. I-standard rate. Yabo nje ema-salon kuyaziwa ukuthi yena ngeke usalon la edrobheni ilanga le ubize enye imali kubizwa ukuthi yena babambisene. Fanele ukuthi uzazi ukuthi yena okay nathi-ke shuthi sicharge imali engaka. This is a going rate for DJs. This is a going rate for promoters. Going rate for our bottle girls. Yabo? I hope someone is listening and someone will, because I call them my OGs. I say badala, I say my people badala. Say my people badala. No, how do we sort this out? Because badi babekalo DJ, badi babekalo my promoter,
photographers as well.
They're
very important to our establishments, because one thing I can testify, I've been in that space with photography and the music side. So in the photography side, I've noticed with many venues, especially in Malochin, they would like to pay a lot. But when you notice a video photographer, that's where a lot of people go with social media page and check out the venue who gets on the photography. And for instance, when I was in a case where I used to earn from like Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday I go.
Sanibonani, Shopboy Kevin Dwande na Breakfast Dada Shandis, and this is just me and Kevin show. But angekho nasemnamhlanje ngingedwa bafethu. Ngingedwa, and that breaks my heart bafethu. A shout out to my nigga Tain Man, whatever what he's doing there. Ngizwela ukuthi uthola umsebenzi futhi. Shout out to him. I was saying po.
Congratulations.
So namhlanje kodwa ke angihambi ke ngedwa ke namhlanje. Hamba ne host yami uSandy.
What's up guys? Ngiyajabula ukuba la ekhaya. Yeah.
Grand what?
Shosho ngegrand. Ngikhona 2026 siyabangena koningi, and I'm very proud of you. The Senior and Kevin show has been doing like really great. So ingakho nami ngidodana uvuza ngathi yazi ukuthini man, nathi sisebenza kakhulu manje. Uyaze bangikhohlwa abantu. Athi ngiqhamuke nabo kancane.
Esisibuza phela uthi ungephi manje.
No, angihambile mkhono. Sengivukuzwe i-Senior and Kevin show ngathi ngeke abantu basebenze ngilale phansi.
Ngeke futhi kuyivumbi leyo. Social noma ngasasho manje inamba ngizibele doesn't matter. And they don't lie exactly. Umuntu bebuya ikhethelokho abuke naye the standard manje ukuthi kusukile. So bafethu namhlanje ngoba bengisho ukuthi angihambi ngedwa bafethu, I have my guest over here engibaphethe Richmond Daduna and my boy here Mateha bafethu. I can just give them the floor bafethu ni introduce ukuthi ngizengani kanjani ngobani kanjani.
Sanibonani namakhaya, nangu-Rich Madlando. U-Rich uyingane usekhona. Sanibonani namakhaya, ngiyajabula ukuba khona la for the second time. Ngiyohlezi ngi-accept invitation ngibhala. Kukhulu ukuza ngihlezi ngisho.
Ngiyabonga mfethu. Mateha bathini lo?
Showcase man. Again. It's a Mateha, producer, DJ. Right now, it's a new year, definitely, for sure, feeling about it, but quite I think that was okay. Definitely last year was another year for, especially from scene, and I really appreciate you having me today to talk about that, I really appreciate it.
I'm sure there are people ababonayo ababuzayo ukuthi uMatheka uqhamuka njengami. Yabo mina isikhathi ngibuza igama lakho usho Matheka. Okay, ngiyacabanga ukuthi igama lesisuthu, but then you had to explain. Umuntu obukayo umchazele.
So yeah, uMatseka igama laseMozambique yashaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, laseMozambique. eMozambique sibongo.
Okay.
So from inside kababa waseMozambique nomama wasebhakeni.
Yeah.
Akhulela apha so baqamba lona. Aleli isakazelo abanye futhi isibongo mina nje
uMatseka nje.
that's his name.
Buwe lo muntu sethole ngisho nokuthi waseMozambique.
Afundise. That's what it's really nice. I really love how you embrace your originality. We have people from different, like all kinds of families. Kodwa now we embrace it's okay. No, ngiyumZulu kodwa futhi ngiyaqhamuka nangala futhi Mozambique, yabo.
It took me time though.
Yeah.
Most of the time I used to hide it. South Africa. So eventually I had to step out, especially since I'm in the music space.
Yeah.
I had to even with stage name, this is Matseka.
Yeah.
It's just my name.
I love it. It stands out.
Embracing
Yeah. You know, for one reason, I would say I needed to remember myself through the music that I make, which is Ikomo. There's a lot of drums in it.
Yeah.
Heavy metal.
Yeah.
So for that reason, you know, it's in his eyes to the space that we're in. So
But we have pioneers, one on the other hand, even plan, even promoter, the big dog, Richmond Landona. Tell us what's happening, though. What's happening?
January kwamanje abantu badla amakabishi mfethu. Manje asikwazi ukukhipha lutho swelina nje abantu bathi ukuthi uphefumula kancane. Basemva lokho ke. Yazi nawe ke.
Yazi
Kuleli amakabishi ngicela ukuthi ngisheshe ngicacise. Asidla amakabishi ngoba sibroke, sibuyisa izicubu, sigrove kakhulu. Sazi izinto sibuyisa izicubu.
Ngibona ipost yakho mfethu, one of your posts mfethu ngazo announce something mfethu usho ukuthi ngazi there's a departure where you were hosting like amalo akho.
Sure.
Ama-event. Tell us about that mfethu. What happened mfethu?
Yo, khuluma iqiniso bengingayijokisa ngizokhuluma le nto namhlanje. Ama-businessmen esebenza nawo manje, they only think about themselves. So I'm not going to mention places.
Yeah.
Because I'm full of the Jew.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
indawo engiphuma kuyona
Rich.
rich.
When you're rich, bro.
Ngiyathusa phela manje masithi rich, that's rich yabo lonke because I've never worked in it.
Oh, okay.
But
Hey,
I'm full of the Jew about this.
Yeah.
But indawo engisebenza kuyona ukhuluma iqiniso bengingayiboni imali ade ngiyenza khona. It was just nje lawo ma-toiletries lawo and then traveling to yona iphinde futhi ngisuke kuyona ngabona ukuthi yazi ngiyalimala la ngcono ngeke ngishiye nangempela ngashiya khona.
Were you an event planner, Noma? You were a DJ?
I was a promoter.
You were a promoter, so getting artists and booking artists.
No, I was a promoter. I was bringing this fazan.
Oh, okay.
I don't like
Oh,
saying,
okay.
But something I'm giving yona ngagcina ngayenzanga. That's what I hated.
You were a pimp Madala side. Yeah, you were a pimp Madala side. I know I wrote up in a promoter.
No.
You call girls eklabini ukuthi azogcwalisa kunabafana bezothenga utshwala webo namantombazane, and then rich guys come in and then they basho ukuthi nesifuna le nto. I've done it before. I know how it works. You're a pimp Madala side. I'm not so there's no need to praise the job.
I picked the fifth.
Bidding now.
So what that mean was just bringing people for vibes. Ngangayitshela ukuthi it was that, but into engangibizele khona ngangibizele ukuthi ngibe i-host. Ngagcina sengiyibona sengiyipromote and umuntu owengiqashile khona ngilindele ukuthi sihamba naye. Wasuka khona wangishiya khona. Emva kwalokho ngabona nabayikho engiyihlalele la ngashiya khona.
Yeah.
So I think mengibeka kanjalo.
I know the experience of working with venues and how sometimes promoters express kanjani.
Sure.
Bayenza sengathi wena bakwenza ufile engathi you don't matter. Whereas imagine if there was no promoter and you're not bringing any hot girls eklabini ukuthi nabo they wouldn't be making sales. I've been ey'cathulweni zakho and it's really sad how bonke labantu laba abasuke abanemali aba-own iy'ndawo aba-ona ini abona ini ababoni i-value esilethayo, especially o-DJ sometimes. I have a friend who used to DJ somewhere in so this person who owns a club is very rich, kodwa akafuna umkhokhela. Yazi ushenze njani? Isound kwakuyena kuphela wazi ukuyenza. Kodwa on that night wavele wangafika at all. Akekho umuntu ekwazi ukuyixhuma isound. Wangafika at all. Wathi no, I'm just trying to prove a point. Ukuthi kahle mina I matter here. Yabo. Yeah.
Speaking to what you were saying, yazi ukuthi like recently we been event in the venue khuluma ngayo. And ngibuka because ngiyamazi umnyazo enjoy ukuthi umefika khona. Uhlezi uzofuna ukupost to try and attract more people.
Yeah.
Ngithi ngiyabheka akukho umuntu ngafanele umngane wami sasebenza naye khona sashare naye khona.
Yeah.
Buka wathi buka lezi ihlala zigcwele abantu. Mina ile nto ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi umuntu omthathayo mase ngekho uyamdinga. Ngakho kumele kube ukuthi these so-called owners balontuzana bakwazi bafitha abantu serious. It doesn't matter ukuthi what the person has done. Doesn't matter ukuthi yini ayenzayo. Yabo kube ukuthi you see another human being. Nami I see a human being umphathi wami. Kube khona ukuhloniphana ungakhona ukuthathana kancane.
Yeah, that's true. I can feel your pain, but I can't relate it.
You can't.
I can't. It's hard.
You're giving. That's what I'm saying. About the industry, the nightlife industry is cutthroat.
Yeah.
It's cutthroat. Nami I've worked on numerous events and Zega Kona like Tegwini, of which I would not mention because I mean I'm supposed to do the so valid because these people are gatekeepers. And Galileo Umuntu Aqualete, Usabe, Uguti, even poster, Uguti, Usmana Aqualete, because you Tabanga, the heaviness of their name. And then Abandamam idolize on social media. Ushubutene ish. Kodwa phela. Kodwa futhi every time this person comes, uzombingelela unkhombisa respect, but futhi umuntu njalo they'll fuck you up again and again and again until you choose to walk away.
Is it just part of the game? Like to get fucked over all over again? Like we experience that most of the time.
Yeah.
Like I'm an artist or
yeah, but if it's part of the game, that doesn't mean shoot pela manje. Finally accept okay, it's something that's normal. Yeah. I wish sometimes all the service providers like DJ, the promoters, the bottle girls, because even the bottle girls they get to experience all of this. Yabo bonke ama service providers aza kulomo nightclub lawo bagengaphe nje bonke behlale ndawonye babe ne-union yabo, inyunyana yabo ekwaziwayo. Inyunyana yabo ekwaziwayo ukuthi okay, mawuyi-bottle noma u-DJ noma uyi-promoter, this is how much you get paid. I-standard rate. Yabo nje ema-salon kuyazi ukuthi ngeke usalon la edrobheni ilanga le ubize imali kubizwa ukuthi babambisene. Fanele ukuthi uzazi ukuthi okay nathi ke should charge imali engaka. This is a going rate for DJs. This is a going rate for promoters. Going rate for our protocols. Yabo. I hope someone is listening and someone will, because I call them my OGs. I say badala, I say my people badala. Say my people badala. No, how do we sort this out? Because badi babekalo DJ, badi babekalo my promoter.
Photographers as well.
Yeah.
They're very important to our establishments because one thing I can testify, I've been in that space with photography and the music side. So in the photography side, I've noticed with many venues, especially in Malochin, they would like to pay a lot. But when you notice a video photographer, that's where a lot of people go with social media page and check out the venue who gets on the photography. And for instance, when I was in a case where I used to earn from like Friday and Saturday, then uSanjambo kodwa I used to have to come. But being ingane ngaleso sikhathi, like I used to come because ngijabulela ama-Red Bull lawo ngiwathola but angikabi nazindle ngaleso sikhathi.
When was this?
Before COVID.
At least you were paid ngaleso sikhathi. Cabanga manje khona ama-photographer asitshela akhokhele. Kodwa every time they bazofika bafike kwi-event bathi no, can you come to your event? Afike bashuthe sebefunda into entsha and futhi ngiyajabula into abayenzayo bangoloze ney'thombe. Yeah, we even shoot to colors and it's on.
That's just the way to go.
Yeah.
But they are to issue a union. I feel like it will help a lot because the about the spaces it's on is such a flexible space. Like when I charge any money when you venue, charge any money when you venue, got the the same job, same hours. So today venue owner doesn't want to pay you.
Exactly. No me venue owner abanye abayenza yini. Umuntu uvenue owner ibize I mind ukhokhela i-photographer yaka Red Bull efika ne-Red Bull. Kodwa ngeke ifune ukukhokhela i-photographer yala endaweni. Uthatha nqakayi uzoleka i-12 lo. Ngobani? Indaba ngizothola i-12 mina.
Isn't that like the most like common thing to happen to different kind of people? Because I can hear umuntu khala ngaleyo today. Now rich now khala with the same thing. Just because abantu bamjwayele even they will take you otherwise, they will take you lightly. That abazi with the amount of work that you put in behind the scene and like trying to get people to like interact with whatever that's going on in that.
Imagine given someone saying uthena ufuna ukushow yakho i-brand yakhe ibe kushow yakho and then bese lo muntu loyo afuna uthene akuphe leyo brand kuphela like akuphi product. Actually, I will be products. Let's say you ufuna ukushoya bese kuphi lezo zinto lezo kuphela. Imagine lento leyo yenza lithatha kanjani. Shothi wena you want that. Usupromote ngaka. Imagine the people watching. They don't understand the amount of the amount of is cut and a passion and umuntu asithathayo to even promote a podcast, to promote a show. To have this set up ekanjena yonke leyo nto leyo.
Camera.
Yeah.
Sound. Funny be right.
Yeah, by the way, to all the brands that are watching, this is a cue Uguti in our Popular Studios. Accept some brand partnerships and collaborations. So if you guys would like to sponsor and partner, so Tintin Stokersan. I would say this foot so
we started this thing on like wrong foot, but then it's quite a learning curve. To everyone who's watching, what goes on behind the scenes, everything. It's about what's not is unfair. Because like this industry, so it's hard enough, but then how things work, bro, is sometimes like doesn't like match the same energy that you put out. As a creative, as someone who's able to like interact with people. Because I told umuntu nje bese njengoreji akwazi ukukhuluma nabantu nje kalula njalo ekwazi ukubaconvince ukuthi bethi beze kwi-club. Ngeke kube nombani nje phela. Ngeke mina ngisuke nje la phethi ngithi hayi ngizoya eklabheni mhlawumbe ngikhulume namantombazane ngithi ngizowaletha mhlawumbe in a particular event.
That's why kudingeka urich wabantwana njengoba nje shuthi urich wabantwana. So mawufuna isihlobo guys ukuthi urich wabantwana.
What are you trying to hide there, dude?
Asabisa lento because mase khona umuntu osesempilweni yami manje sekumele ngithenje ukuhlala nabantwana indaba phone.
I would like to ask, how does it work when it comes to like a relationship and you're working with a lot of girls most of the time? I used to watch a lot of promoters and wonder, how do they do it?
Like, how do you do it?
I plead the fifth.
I got the corner joke ngokuzakalayo. Mina ngiyazi yabanje eklabini, mina ngiyazi ngoba ngisafina promoter eklabini uthothi nje kuyojama morning bank. Labo ma private personal bank wenze okukhulu kabi. Wenze okukhulu kabi.
Kodwa la umuntu akasichazele kahle
Mina guys ngisamusha kulento. So nami yonke into ngiyithatha as easy. So I don't know as yet. So as time goes up ngiyafunda from abanye ukuthi this is how they do it. Because mina ukhuluma iqiniso ngangasenza umuntu oyefuna ukuyipromote. Ngangifisa ukuthi kube ukuthi mhlawumbe in-event ngiyi-host yakhona ukuthi imina ubhuko DJ and all of that. Ngangafuna umuntu owangenzanga bepromote. And umuntu owangenzanga bepromote uyaxapha because wangishiya wayewenye-event. So that's why ngithi mina I'm still trying to understand yonke lento.
Actually, that's a promoter.
Two.
Lo book artist or plan an event or show an artist gets a show.
Yeah.
But also a people Madala side job and now it's called a promoter only here in Durban. Oh, tell a fair now 5 like 10 girls. It full of so that's Dog Durban we promoter. Junior Lavi we promoter. Hence Junior Lavi winner Kuma Ink Hop Awards. Kuma Hip Hop Awards or the best promoter because he books artists. So more feel like for the best promoter. Let's say you're an artist, you're a big artist. The person that you need to that you need to contact or Dog Debe, no Junior Lavi, no DJ Bong, some of events like the people that do events.
Yeah.
Speaking of DJ Bong, see that's really.
I
think I know now.
Speaking of DJ Bongs,
I think
I'm calling the
now.
I want to DJ Bongs somehow. Ends I did. I just wanted us as a panel. We are going to do a panel discussion.
Yeah.
Just to like see who's a artist that's a ends
Okay.
I know people are in tune. That's why I'm going to be so much. I said, Bizo Richie. I said, come on, I said, so, besides I'm an artist, I wanted to like start off with like I'm a content creator just to give them that in events. No, I'm gonna be jail sometimes, but I just phone goes on a podcast with it, understand. But it's the very end so much.
Yeah. Okay. By the way, can I make an announcement on your show? I'm really sorry. We are starting to shoot to season 2. We're on Project Sandy, and the whole season is dedicated to my influence. And I've already got 10 that have confirmed. Sasibonga nje ukuthi le drama lehamba nosamukela ama influence on our safe news ama podcast. Ade kunzima kwathona. Kade kunzima kwathona. Asesirate ngifuna ukwenza nami lokho. Yeah.
Yini vele abantu benze njalo.
Kodwa nanokuwathola ama big guys.
Kodwa umuntu
ukhabajana you interview them.
Yazini inkinga umuntu bethu angazi nokusona understanding ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani le podcast.
I think umuntu usuke saba. Yabona ngizokwenzela nje example uNenezane that's currently trending manje. uNenezane Mthembu uyakhumbula ekuyilentozana kule podcast le yamaZulu. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ukwenza
amaZulu lo
Arrows yes. Wakhuluma kwabe ngathi isingisi akasazi like kwabe ngathi wathena ngathi bani provinces angazi kanjalo. So lapho thina i-podcast yethu sasesishuthile nayo. Wayesesaba ethi nje ngeke sente ngathi ngaqale ngiyibuke manje kuqala ngoba ngiyasaba abantu are now questioning my intelligence kanje. I think abantu bayasaba ukuthi umuntu uzogcina ethi hey lento engizoyikhuluma engabe izosanda kanjani. Lento le engizoyisho engabe izosanda kanjani. Yabo basuke besaba uyi-contradict most of the time. Kodwa manje abantu bazuze naye ngoba podcast funa ukuthi uyithe.
Yeah.
You just speak your mind. Yeah.
Speak your truth,
So tell me about wena solo ukhathi ukubani umuntu ointerview nje ukusho yakho that was your best. Mina ngizokutshela ukuthi who I think was your best. Mina ngizokutshela ngokwami.
Who was a content creator?
Yeah.
Okay,
or anyone. Yeah.
The best event it was Kabacha.
Yes. Nami ngizokujala. Yeah.
But Rainbow yona the trended kakhulu ka Rainbow.
Yeah, trend kakhulu phela because of Samgel. Samgel uyazenza izinto. Samgel uyazenza izinto.
I wonder phela basho na ukuthi why he thinks ukuthi that was the best in
the Kabacha one. As a content creator, bro, like Kabacha didn't care about the cameras. That's the one thing that I noticed about him.
Yeah.
He's used to like being in front of the camera. He was open, Yabona, and Jay.
And he gave you cover charge.
Yeah, and he gave me cover charge that I wanted.
Yeah, but that was my most.
Yeah,
I should say, like, no, this is a very nice podcast.
Yeah.
And your most boring?
The most boring is
on the spot.
Anyway, Zamini. Rainbow, that was the worst.
Move, like.
And
Some guys. Oh, come on. It was the most boring.
It was the most boring book. Like I didn't enjoy it.
When's
And
that?
like sasike show
Sure.
so shoot and the energy is awful. Ngiyabonga ukufika no cameraman now. That was my first time going with the cameraman in the studio, but then like akafika like nje crazy yena.
Wayefuna no cameraman wani. Ngoba phela wayesejikile ku-training train. Wayesejikile ku-training train.
Yeah, wayeshela ukuthi uyi-star kwi-show yethu, and then like that's like the way nje wayephendula bro.
Ngoba ngisho ukushare I think once, eh? Once, I think.
Washare as one.
Yeah, why?
But then the way nje wayikhuluma ngayo mense like it wasn't like
no kodwa unjiyana vele mina cause ngibona na kuhangout vele akekho outspoken like ombali uzamadosh cause uzamadosh you can see ukuthi okay outspoken yena uhamba vele benalawo ama breaks yabo.
Talking about the content creators, I wanted to like maybe we panel nje sibe the top 5 like content creators, because this year basenzelile isn't the A right, but then I can say it was the most sensitive because ngathini bebe exposing they need to yabona nje ezenzakala
nale nto le ya Facebook ukuthi manje uyakhokhela, so everyone is just letting
yabo
wonke umuntu asanandaba
so like I wanted to like start off in that pace as well, and then we move on to music just to give them that.
Do you have a top 5?
No, for now I haven't, but then when we can just call out names if it's they worked.
Okay.
To a certain amount of it. And I can babon
content creator?
In cases actually. Yeah. But there's a lot of my flowers, but
who?
I will write them down.
Well, I have some in mind.
But I'm thinking what do they deserve?
The criteria is consistency, growth, and impact.
Okay.
That is the criteria.
Consistency, growth, and impact.
Yeah.
Okay, this guy, I'm gonna mention him, but another one but the last time I checked I was not in good terms with him because I called him out. But he's very talented. Undando Shozi. Undando Shozi.
Lo thana nabo Chantel Wood, I think is it Chantel Wood intombi yakhe?
Angmazi.
Yeah, I think we am Undando Shozi.
Angmazi. Undando Shozi ngahlangana naye ngekhathi when I hosted them, I hosted the MPL guest house. He's doing like all these days emotionally. He's very creative. Youth Day, wins up amazing Youth Day content. Ends a content in the streets. Yes, that's one. Yeah. Shame, like the growth, What I tell you, mina ngokwami shame.
I can say top 3, 5 is a lot.
Okay.
We have to explain.
No, just your favorite one.
Well, you must say who and why.
No, mungasachazanga ke Rich.
Ungashama crasha.
Okay.
Osibili.
Oh, okay. Osibili, who do I think ukuthi kuba wesithathu? I mean Osibili. Undando Shozi. Aphello Ndiwe, but no, Aphello Ndiwe is also a musician, so I will not say who is a musician. Luyanda Madingila.
Luyanda Madingila ntombi yasalile pop. Wenzani le mama? Usithombe nje.
Usithombe zasemakhaya, khombisa like usayintact with ilubuzana ama-roots akhe. Ngoba ngombono ukuthi uposta ukhambi, uposta enzani, yabo? Yeah. And then number 1, you speak it. Guys, speaking, most people, like especially the people that don't follow Maskandi, most people didn't know speaking before and content gonna lady. I didn't know that he could dance so well. By the way, speaking, he will be coming to my show.
Yo,
So
shout out
speaking,
to you.
Yeah.
Umatha kodwa nganisho umatha mfethu umatha.
Umatha ngiyasa usithande myeza. Ngiyaya mngana mfetha. Baningi yeah.
Uspikile.
Yeah.
Mtando Shozi yenu.
Mtando Shozi. Uyanda Matingila. Sithande myeza.
Except what about like your favorite content creators like out and about?
I feel like someone spiked my drink.
Someone
Spiked your drink. Oh, ingoma ngithena ngabali crash yakhe. Ingalokho.
Okay, khona nomjito bethuthwa uLord Honest.
Shout out to
Udabadala. Bethu alamjito bethu content yakhe I've been following it for some time. Like if ngifuna ukuhleka and I'm having a low day, man, he's the go-to guy for me. In many ways.
He's
Maningi ama-content creator angimazi nami. I-content yakhe ingani?
Okay. But mostly township life.
Okay.
No crew.
Nalaba bathanda yabo bese siyaphuza baphuza umuntu bese ezosaha bese ngibona lo bhalela content.
So so the update Bethu has done a lot now. To a point where he's working with nice established brands. I can't mention them.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's my number 1.
That's
Number
nice.
2.
Yeah.
Number 2 for now. Let me see. Okay. Everybody KZN, dog. KZN, bang.
It's a small village.
It's a small village, you can say so.
Village.
Yeah, I wanted to test Yabonye, but in general,
Let me think.
how you know artists that are
Oh, and by the way, khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi ama-content creator bangasona ama-content creator nabanye i-following yabo bayisebenzisi nje bayojabulela ukuthi kuyahlekwa kwenziwani njengoba kanihleka nekwenziwa imali.
serious.
Abanye babhali Bethu i-content creator while you look at the feed.
It doesn't match.
Ngisho ukuhlala 5 minutes.
That's what I wanted to show kahle nami yabo ukuthi like most people claim that they are content creators, but then Spani, the work ethics. That's
Number 2. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Number
Yes.
2, there's a guy called Linda Machoy.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that guy
Because,
is such an amazing guy.
yeah.
So, he's done a lot for actually his space as a Dubai. He has a venue called the Hue Cafe. It's a very nice spot. It's like with the mayor of it. So on the internet is alive now, but to say so slow, but they used to trend a lot back in the days. Like I used to see a lot of his videos. Now he's more on the acting side.
Yeah, Linda Machola, the wife, Uzalo.
I
Shout out to Linda.
Shout out to Linda Machola.
Yeah.
So for a lot of creatives, like especially Glavin,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, this is tough, bro.
yazi sona bala ama-content creator ngempela because you think yazi ukuthi ayenza ngoba Linda comes from uyidayisa container like uyidayisa container nje so like kodwa manje senendawo ewindemile so
inspiring a lot.
yeah.
So those 3 bits, I don't know, bro. KZN bound. Like
Yeah.
coming to my, but she's not from KZN.
Just to like
Akunalutho phela sifinyelela yonke indawo.
She has a big punani.
Sindi makhathini
See, bro.
Njengoba bangasekhaya umakhelwane wami ngikhule naye sibazi ukuthi ngoThobi thina ngasekhaya. Simazi ngoThobi thina ngasekhaya. Shout out to Cindy Makathini. Yeah, we ghost.
A lot. Like mangibuka ifeed yakhe and ama-interactions awatholana like I wouldn't say in a content is specific but the way she's moving, I know I can tell that she knows it.
She one of one.
Yeah, she knows it.
You just love S because she's
I'm probably guy with this.
Hey, the S don't give it. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's my top 3.
Asizwe ke lisho abantwana.
Mina in top 3 yami oqala is uRoyalty Ncubela. Royalty Ncubela is he's extra, but extra wakhe extra slicksayo. Like he's a fun person to have around. Umuntu futhi ohamba indawo, he does restaurants, he does a lot.
Or it does reviews.
Yeah, he does reviews.
Okay.
And then the second one has to be Asanda Prince Leo. I don't know if you know him. Asanda does Delos Lounge.
Yeah.
So again, Zimak, he's mostly the host Econ. He does so well when it comes to content. He's something called, what is it called? Party with Prince Leo.
Okay.
And then the third person.
Where's that show to by the longest Ngabaz?
Hey, but Asanda Prince Leo.
Putting them on.
Putting them on, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
And then the
Shout out
third-
to them.
The third person has to be is a friend of mine, Leon Gomez. But just to shower, I'm big numbers. Number 1 though. But bonke baningi bashe Mandy Kes.
Yeah, Mandy comes a long way. Mandy comes a long way, hey? YouTube,
yeah, baningi, but that's my top 4, maybe top 3.
Yeah,
Giving us a Ronaldo.
Mina bethu, my first one, bethu, Sine Madlonzo.
Sure.
Okay.
Sine Madlonzo. The second one has to be Speaking Bafethu, one of the greatest.
Speaking, we have to
like it's hard the confidence of it's a boy.
Yeah.
Like it's different. Though.
Yeah.
And the third thing again, hey, I must put like Samgelo shares the first, Cindy Madlon, and then Samgelo shares the first.
Yeah.
Go to like I like the way he thinks it works. Like it's different. It's about how he believes in himself. You're okay the verses.
Can I have a comment on what's currently happening?
On him, that's brilliant, dog. I can say that, dog.
Hey, but let's on the other side, then.
On the other side,
But see, Lava, and what's happening?
no,
I mean, I personally think good and man like psycho fake.
no, bad influence is good.
Yeah, bad publicity is good publicity.
No,
But man, like psycho nice.
No, but the content, what's
The
it
content,
content?
I should say the content.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ithi ngizobala nosikhikhile mina azomunye usikhikhile omunye umuntu that I think
We
ukuthi
ghost. Yeah.
usisikhikhile
Where's Kiki?
Unomsindo usikinkile.
no but you're promoter but in terms of
Yeah.
promoting nane-influence buka manje ukuthi even wayena manje udlule ngisho ko 1.3 manje million followers on Facebook for just doing leyo nto and usebeyamkhokhela manje nanokuthi azomemeze engomeni yakho because uyenza ingoma yakho iqalizwakale ngenye indlela umasikandi uyazi ukuthi khona amanye ama-artist ongaweza uma icula but uma uzoqala uyizwa ingoma uculo usikhekeli uthi uma usulalela usuyalizwa uthi lo muntu la uyabo
Manje ushuthi uyabhalelwa nama-lyrics yena noma
no uyawezwa phela umasikandi vele yena uyayithanda lento uyashesha ukuthi awenze mina umthandeni yawo nje umthandeni mina ngakho ungabezwa mina umthandeni nawe umzukulu futhi khona ezinye
mina nje kaningi engingabezwa kufanele ngize ngihambe nge-TikTok ngibone kubhaliwe ukuthi kuthiwani.
Ubani owadele lo ngizwe ese stage wathi waphuma vele unesingle kuphela. Wathi wayishaya ingoma yakho wayiqeda wathi waphuma vele unesingle kuphela. Bengiqala ukumazi lapho because I think I saw him kwi-Fact but he wasn't performing there, he was just backstage. Wayegqokiswe nje washaka Zulu and I was like bale insizwe engaka nakho sibulawo yabona and
Pho wabona kanjani ukuthi yena lo waqoshwa ngizwe?
because when it was a stage thing ngizwe was on stage
Okay.
uyambona ukuthi useyophuma futhi ubephethe induku nakwinolana kwe-Fact wayephethe induku and then mengibona nobuso I was like oh it's him yabo ungizwe yamdela ethi phuma vele nesingi kuphela yahleka insizwa yayiphumela ihambela ngasho ngathi yazi ifimba ziningi ngabe inyawo zami bezingasasebenzi
Singing, ingathi kumele ube ne-body of work before perform.
Asikhulume nge-gqom, guys.
Gqom music.
I'm such a gqom fan.
You're such a gqom fan.
Yeah.
Vele nami ngikhetha abantu aba-right for that
Yeah.
type of thing. We're moving on to the next segment. I was just trying to give flowers to those who like work hard. Ngiyathemba nabo sesibamentionile nesingabamentionayo nabo. This year they can do better. Ningadikibali. You're going to have your own shine to next year.
Siyeza nathi siyeza
Now sifuna ube content creator.
Ngisacabanga
Ungayenzi.
Liyambahla i-blind.
I-blind yakho.
I'm trying to think ukuthi mina yami what can my content be about. Ngifuna ukuhluka ngiyedwa lento yokuthi
Kodwa ungakopela umngane wakho ngoba noSamuel ukhala ngokuthi ama-psychology lasemkopela.
Hayi ushabu bakompere.
Kodwa sengithi hayi umngane. Because I mean, you wouldn't expect it umngane wakho ukopela. Ngenzazwane phela mawuzothi ukopela umngane wakho.
Siyanzwele mazana.
Does like creativity goes hand to hand with ego? Because like I think this shit is like messing up the whole industry, but then it helps in kind of way to show who's the real deal.
Yeah.
Do you think like it goes hand to hand between like the ego side and because my anything I say what's wrong? But we definitely understand that.
Into inkinga with the content is that if I'm doing the same thing
I don't want to say content exactly, but then I'm just saying
Creativity, the creative industry.
We just
So maybe DJing, graphic design, photography, acting, anything.
So if it's almost the same thing, into inkinga it's like you are taking food out of my mouth. So muguti wena mhlawumbe ukopela my style or the way I do stuff, yabo. Gcine sekube sengathi when you trying to take ukudla out of my mouth, then mina shuthi ngoba wena bazobona ukuthi nami, why don't I try and take you out of the game, yabo. So that's khona umuntu engamention out amanje
Yabona lesikhathi ucabanga ukuthi ungayibona. Ayibona khona.
Cabanga connect event is engayizeki kuyona yabo kwakukhona ama-content creators I always tell the story but then I will tell it again. So like since interview no khathi siyehle event yakho le shout out to Jaro but dumchita bethu yasifaka bethu endaweni egrand bethu siye ngipende ya Big Zulu lounge chanele nyoka bani lounge bani.
Sure.
So silapha bethu yabo and then after like I was secretary yonke into and then like I spoke to Samuel shares. I don't want to give him praise, it's not that dope. But
I know he is dope.
I'm just getting him a few minutes of first come back. Oh man, I'm full now in a bed so I'll visit John Biam the pan so that's my I don't know meaning about the game I'm trying to understand this.
What's in it?
What's if it's I'm full now and a bit so I saw athazohlengiwe wamsisa kwishow yakho nakhuluma amasemva ngami yabona nje sinamnini yabona nje mfethu.
Okay, can I tell you something? So uthuli Chisa we former dancer ka Babes former dancer ka Babes yafika la yazokhuluma ukuthi uBabes ubatreat kanjani shuthi ishow ya Babes ibuyela ngazidlala ke channel so reality show yayisibuya for another season yabo mayibuye for another season i-podcast ivede iphume ngaleso sikhathi kodwa sasikade sayishutha masako kodwa iphume ngaleso sikhathi leso hayi mina sengikhohliwe angikhumbule ukuthi iphume i-podcast sihambe seLondon bafika shuthi banginothisa yini noma yini asangigudluze nje ematheni eseLondon ngime ngokuthi nje mina bake nje bangithinte ngizobabona ngoba khona umngane wami phela owababona lo athenda icala nabo babes so lo athenda kanti bemshaya bekade bethatha iziboboleka izinto nenani ngisho hey bake nje bangishaya into ezobabopha yona ngizobe ngigudluza yona bayenza leyo nto leyo
ababoni labantu
bayabona
they do what they should
Yeah.
do. They do what they should. Ungathusa ubu 100 views but that's how I guess what time. That you get more than that, bro. Like seeing 100 views, but
hayi
then,
uyazi ukuthi 100 afethi into enkulu kanjani ngoba phela online susiconvince ukuthi abantu abancane yabo mama ngathi awuthathile abantu abawu100 sibafake la ngeke sikwazi ukubafaka lezi ngeke sikwazi ukuthi ubafake le ngale ngamele mhlawumbe sesibatholile izindle eziwu3 noma eziwu4
yeah,
and also I think given yabo nje mina ngokwamanje if umuntu ezoba kushow yami fanele sibe ne-agreement ukuthi you will post angithi masiwathola ama-snippets ababa u4 yena poste 2 ngiposte 2 mina yabo nje going forward mina nje okay ngiyazi ku-season 2 ukuthi vele shuthi vele season 2 wami is based on ama-content creators kodwa I think nalokho fanele ukuthi because abantu bafike basijahe bafuna ukuzalana base bezalana futhi bese sebeyasaba mase I think bafike lokusaba
yeah,
I think ukusaba ukuthi oh my gosh maybe I shared too much ngoba khona nje umunye useke waphuma podcast yakhe webo 3 months later isibukiwe ngaze ku1 bani useyibuka usethi hayi angenzanga bad nje kuba ngisaba ukuyibuka nani yabo
nathi yashalo dezamahoto uthi ubusuyibuka ishow yakho mfethu usho time not that bad.
Yeah,
it's not that bad.
Mina ngisingela nje ngisaba nje ukwabuka.
Mina ngiyabuka ke.
Ngisaba ukwabuka.
Strong.
Umbuze nginawo, like why would someone come to the show and not wanna share the content that I did?
Because it's promoting.
And
yeah, they don't look at it like that. They don't look.
But you wanna say was chaser.
Umuntu evilated wena uzokufaka egaming manje.
Yeah, manje mina
Doesn't make sense.
we're on point. I hardly ever find someone with meaning strategy. Yabo nje abantu engastruggle ukuthi meaning bafunayo. Mhlawumbe 30% owabo uyibona. Kodwa the majority ibona abasuke befuna.
Nisibona bese.
Kodwa bese ngiyaqala ukuthi indaba manje umuntu manje impiko zane lezo siyibulala manje sizozinqoma thina. Abantu bafuna ukubuya, bafuna ukubuya. Mina nje nginikana ama chance, ngicela ukuthi nawe ungabanika ama chance. Ngoba uzonika ama chance abantu abafana nabo Matseke no Rich. Ngoba uyababona ukuthi yena they are about the business.
Yeah.
Right?
They want to work. Yeah, but it's moving on to like the music segments of it. So I just want to like us to focus on like the music segments at the goal actually like about Google Wabana top 10 piano artist that's boring.
I bought it in Kumla.
As a Durban based podcast of it.
Can we start from there?
Yeah.
Uganji, top 3
Top 3. Yeah, okay. This is another segment.
That's the easiest. I can even do top 5.
I know.
Number 1 for now is Swiss, the guy called Swiss DJ.
Swiss DJ, shout out to Swiss.
I love what he's doing for e-culture.
Yeah.
Like the event ends the Monday.
Showcase, it was successful. Shout out to Swiss.
Like I love what he's doing for Indwana and how he's moving now. Namanya ma-ata move now like South to Amajege to Chicken House Boys. Masukubo OSB so obviously cute DJ. Ghost events.
Okay.
He has to be the one for me now.
Yeah.
He moved a lot. 2025 compared to I think in the moving ngayo was more of like the brands.
Sorry, I'm sorry to break you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to break your top 3 counting.
Sure.
Ngithi mina manje lokho engizwayo ukuthi ene wasebenzisa ngeApricot. Can you comment on that? Such seem to be a fan.
Bayisebenzisa.
Ne.
Come on, bejula naye kana black coffee.
Ne. Yona yamsiza. Sebakushiwo. Yo,
I don't wanna say a lot,
I go
because
kill
I'm
me,
not
Jayami,
saying
bitch.
anything.
Hey.
I don't want to say a lot, but ngiyazi ukuthi the king and apple coffee Amanda.
No, but what are you saying about lokho abantu abakushoyo
Abakushoyo.
ukuthi, because I mean,
Uh,
honestly speaking,
Yeah,
him having access to certain things and riding with black coffee,
sure.
Yeah.
would it happen if it wasn't for the girl?
Nah,
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
that's facts.
Okay.
That wouldn't happen. Even, bro, like there's a lot that happens. Yeah, man.
Yeah, black coffee is a family person. Umuntu kanjalo ifamily yakhe yonke izohlezi ibe on. So if uzoschema nefamily yakhe, shuthi nawe online. Waveza amakhadi nawe so black coffee.
But that relationship is set for me to end. They really made sense to me.
Yeah.
In many ways.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, ngifuna sikhulume ngama relationship masiqede la. Hey, ngiyajolwa.
Ngiyajolwa lapha. And then it starts to be DJ Leg.
Hola,
Last year, Petra dropped a mixtape. I know, it's Tobe. K-Nator, KCD.
Shout out to K-Nator. Shout out to K-Nator. Shout out to my nigga.
Shout out to Tobega.
Shout out to Tobega, my friends.
I'm a top.
Fits.
I am with that cage for it's good. I'm going to
Always.
Yeah.
I'm a king mix of it.
Okay, so your top 3 is Swiss DJ, Q DJ, and DJ Leg.
Yes.
So let's move on to what are your best.
Okay.
Like, tell me your top 3. Yeah, I will enjoy in a bit.
The top 3 when it comes to it, yo, why put me on the spot? But number 1 for me, ingimlalela khona is Generous Mama. TLB. TLB. And then sound as if there's a friend of mine called Lost Sticky. Boom.
Yeah, I know this.
And then I was gonna say no, Ngozi Thobeka is not a DJ, she's a vocalist.
Yeah, but she also falls
an artist.
Yeah, she also falls under the category.
So Tobe.
Yeah.
Don't follow Tobe because
Amadlamini wangena phakathi.
Bekasala kanjani?
Uthandi Badu siswami and we're friends.
Yeah.
So yeah, Tobe, that's my number 3.
Okay.
Baningi nabanye kodwa.
Alright. Hayibo nina anizazi izinto nencingo. Niyacika ngoba manje anibalanga i-ghost. I-ghost ngempela. O-Ekiti.
Uyazi na.
O-Ekiti unumber 1. Andile.
I'm talking about 2025.
Yeah, so 2025. O-Ekiti had his first international show last year. O-Ekiti besemazweni last year. Hey, bro.
Hey, keep some host and
Yeah, I organized that.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah. So yeah, with AKT, and then DJ Banana.
DJ Banana.
Yeah.
Shout out to DJ Banana.
I will come down. Yeah, DJ Banana, and then bese kuba King Lee.
Mawuyilungisa konje ubelokhu ibuyele ngoba ungaqaqanga mawuyilungisa la ifase khona.
Oh, it's oh boy. Okay.
Oh my wicked fits. Alright, so we did.
Now I have to name my.
Yes, I'm keep banana for okay.
Okay, yeah, the boy.
Yeah,
boy is cooking different.
Yeah.
Okay, boy is cooking different. My face.
Yeah,
my face. So that is like.
I'm called for the
Ooh.
Pex.
uPex bafethu. Ngivalela kanje uPex wenze.
Upex can't
Wonke umuntu
DJ.
avalelwe
Upex is not a Gqom DJ. Uyasebenzisa no-producer.
Wakase u-DJ kahle uPex.
Like,
After nje basplit.
basplit wafika kwi-podcast yami khumbula efikile
Yeah.
ezochaza kodwa nangamandesilande echazayo i-interview yaba yinde kakhulu close to 2 hours kodwa angi-understand into ayikhulumayo ngale ndlela yokuthi okay sengithi mnaboy phela nami ngicela ukuthi siyochazisela kule story wasinda yini into ezoyichaza.
So I delete your podcast.
No.
Ima, ufanga ikhulu dlala nini? Kom.
Yeah. Aw, ubengangena ufanga ikhulu.
Ubengangena list yami we top 5.
Okay, given you.
Me first, I have to give it to like Generous Mamane.
Yes.
DJ Tira Buffett.
Before you even came here.
Hey,
Before you even came to the studio.
DJ Tira Buffett, I have to like mention him for like the song of the year.
Go to
Buffett.
I don't want to
You don't have to hate.
No one is here. I'm not
Not because of that.
No,
No,
what happened is most I mean you guys also do know most of the beats are not by DJ Jira. Like I'm sure you know.
Yes, that's
if you follow like mina ngiyalandela igqomo amanye ama-beats ngikwazi before azaphuma eseyingoma where Tira is on there. Yeah. So mina bengingumfaki ngisho nakwi-list because
the impact.
it impacts.
The song of the year.
Yes, song of the year, but
Aungas.
Buga, I respect Tira. I love him so much. And ngiyathandela professional guy. Kodwa sengisho ukuthi yena angifuni italente labanye abantu to go to vein without even mentioning them. Ngoba ngekwazi ukubamenshina because manje yena usuke uwakhe. So yeah. But
I said Ulona General DJ Tira.
yeah.
And there's this group that we interviewed the
Cap Masters.
Not Cap Masters, episode 12. Friends like us. Love.
Naked Souls.
Naked Souls.
Yeah.
Episode 12.
Tabana.
Episode 12. That's how dope they are. And you're no longer hosting that show anymore.
So like Naked Souls like they put in the work itself. I can say that's
ngoba nokwenu ukwamfethu benopepe mfethu abanye abantu they did amazing things.
And guys, Boga, I don't know how long we've been following Gqom, but we are going to Black Souls.
Black Souls phela babeshaya 1000 seconds.
I'm a Black Souls. Infamous Boise. Lo moya seno ubaba more than 11. Abaye bamsola ukuthi wathatha kodwa dala ngigcwele sasozela kwi podcast man. Yes.
I really love how artists what they do man with music not that. So that was this my dala I fire onto like the set go we have so we smart. Yabona lezo ngoma
So uyathanda DJ Bongs kahle kahle. You have been following DJ Bongs. You've been a fan. And you worked for DJ Bongs.
I've never worked. I was a fan.
You've never worked.
I've never worked.
He cleared it out to say, I'm going to DJ Bongs on a rich.
If
No.
Let's not go there.
Yeah, let's not go there.
The views.
No, wait. You used to be a promoter, Rich?
No,
Naluto. Buga.
Boy is cockhead.
Buga. I know Mr. Holo.
Sure.
On a personal level.
Sure.
And I respect him.
Sure.
So much. So Phela ukuthi rich lisuka kephi igama?
Rich, ngangazi ukuthi bakhona i-rich ngale nkathi ngiyibiza
Osamncane.
Yangangisamncane because I think I said this with podcast that I was manifesting. So ngase ngathatha hayi ngoba mhlawumbe ngabona i-rich imnisi ngase ngathi rich Mazando.
Oh, what's a rich Madisa?
Rich
Oh no.
Okay.
How am I? Rich Madisa, guys.
Sengicela ukuhamba.
Ay, buka.
Rich Mazando, it was just me manifesting. Hayi ukuthi laqhamuka nge-rich Durban, hayi ukuthi laqhamuka nge-rich.
Have you worked at Rich Durban though?
No, I've never worked there.
Okay.
Never worked there.
You gave ourselves about.
No, let's not go there. Swelling boom. Swelling boom.
Okay. I see the MC.
So manje team indaba MC bafethu. So right now we just close off like our top 3s bafethu on how like abantu abayenze impact last year bafethu, and we were just giving them flowers. Angitaliwe kakhulu. Never mind. But We're just giving them flowers bafethu ukuthi like they really worked hard last year and we appreciate their hard work, their music. Let's start to see the better. So whole 2025 bafethu. I hope everyone like was satisfied about like being mentioned. We show it bafethu. Yeah. Before
the junior.
Yeah.
Junior Bits made an impact last year. Different sounds, production wise, so they're not going next. I think that the project was 2024 though.
Yeah.
But I've seen most of his work 2025. I know he's coming in hard. Rick Junior, I'm sorry to cut you off. I should have mentioned the name.
Yeah. So but there's another segment that I wanted to ask to like go through in.
Okay.
I haven't mentioned it, right?
No.
Yeah, okay. So like I wanted to ask to like name like the most promising ones. But about this this is behlezi befika phethu noma sibuye sibanikeza ama-eyes bathuma ama-eyes kodwa-ke they are the artists that we want to like outlive lawa esesinawo manje. Like maybe we can mention one each bese shoot okay those are the ones who like making it like a
okay bazamayo okay mina nje ngizobala intwana zami zangasekhaya sezafika nala ku-podcast ngizobala DJ Bondas is really working hard njayami ngiyazi ukuthi yena ngablokha kodwa ngithi mina ngivumile DJ Bondas Anunagen Cooksin nabo sewulungile sewaba-interviewer DJ Bondas sewaba-interviewer most promising okay abanye futhi ama-house villains basebenza kanzima shame bahlala ngasekhaya uNero one of the house villains uyena wafundisa uDagibo DJ.
Shout out to Nero.
Yeah, uNero ukuthi uNero vele I know Nero from PMP, imagine.
Really?
Yeah, when I was still doing it Deep House Session in South Africa.
Really?
Yeah, I'm sure he knows me now. I used to be part of Deep House Session in South Africa.
Shout out.
So Unero and Unero, you know, from the I mean, like Udagibo nje, DJ ufundiswa Unero. Shout out to Nero, Kansala Kanyile, Njayami, yeah, wamama house villains manje. Kade bewuthuba baqala baba mata Brave Souls, bahlukana babebaningi. Unero wahlala bowuthula beno neighbor. So manje sebe ede umlu sebe 3 ibona both labo nje 3 top 3
shout out to them
Bondas
Anunagen Cooksin house villains
Anunak ngathi sengayibona interview
I think it was 106 episode I think so
shout out to them
Yo, inkinga ngizwe na underline na abafufusayo.
besisho kabi besisho ukuthi yena
upcoming upcoming
kahle ukuthi bantswembu ukuthi isikhathi sabo
asiyafika ukuthi babe phambi kwamehla
baningi ngaba mention but
mention him 3
One is Tyler J.
Shout out to my nigga Tyler J.
Yo, Tyler J, yeah, he's been on the show, eh?
Yeah.
Tyler J kube DJ Mtameri, kube Vini 9000, one of the goats leya. Ukuthi nje I just hope ukuthi country ethi iyabheda, but it is what it is. But I really do think ukuthi labantu about really deserve a bigger view.
Sometimes because it's a country, but it's not the country, it's the people up there.
Yeah.
Gatekeepers.
That do not want to be dethroned.
Yeah.
Ukuthi wasengadla kutira-ke manje.
I'm sure
khona amakhehla ka-TV, khona amakhehla ka-media, yonke indawo khona amakhehla, khona amakhehla angafundi sure aloke kukhuluma imkhwabo uxaye ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo ngathi asabe isikhathi esihambile hawu Jesu.
Great times. So we've got some. Okay. My top 3 is Mustafa from Anticipated Sounds. He's coming in hard, but he needs management. Not management, they say that, but it's team at least.
Yeah.
Back up a bit, because he's very good. There's a guy called The Young Ghost. The Young Ghost. Worked with him twice in 2 songs. One called You Take Me Somewhere, and there's one called Zululand to the World. Then the third one is a girl called Minette. She lives in Joburg, but it's in
Yeah.
She's a model / DJ. She was the first girl I saw as a mix up there too, because she used to do runway models for
DFF.
Richard Munisi.
Oh, Richard Munisi. Oh, shout out to Richard Munisi.
She's been working.
Richard Munisi is the best.
So she's the first girl I've seen. Ozamutata Ilagzari. I mix it with Go. Because they come in the perception of it. But she goes more than
so she added class.
So yeah, she added class with Go, which is what I love about her. So yeah, that's my top 3.
Okay. So remember there was this Gqom Queen, and then there was Gqom Barbie. So uTDK Makassets, we not an Akano page. And then Wapuma, uTDK Makassets, what no babes. And then no babes, what Gqom Queen. So uTDK Makassets. Was saying about long way Vandal Ganji, mean I'm gonna be a Barbie. So uTDK Makassets was like the classy one, or would say, okay, go on, so lawyer. And the footing in Nalo is setting the standard. Long show, I can just imagine most women she would say model reaching the singers and the so style. Adding we go.
Because we wouldn't even be also a runway. Runway is statistics to uthola lelo gama kwama models, right? Nathi ama-runway models. Like even it's where they come runway now, ufika khona kamnandi, like they push fashion, but kuba ne-components.
Also, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngazi noma namazi lamuntu ulelo what's good.
Yeah,
guys, that guy, we used to blog together. Ngazi noma niyazi imzili blogging. We used to write together as a friend. And
cheese.
Ngangayitshela ukuthi uzoba lento le ayiyona manje, and moving to Joburg unengoma no babes manje kwi-album yababes enje indlela, because he's a writer, he's a DJ, he's a journalist, he's a copywriter, a content creator, but ngangayitshela ukuthi ngabe u-DJ weqomo
ayimfanele futhi
and
I won't lie,
yeah, igama lakhe unsikelelo Mesilane kodwa ulelo what's good. Shout out to you Njayami, you've been doing great and I'm very very proud of you. Balela the New York Times.
Serious?
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah.
So don't get ready for New York Times.
Yeah.
I think you should. I don't know how to.
Yeah. It's a he. I'm acronyms like he.
But I think who manager Amanda nalo exactly. We under another zero.
Oh yes, ngiyabona ibhayo yakhe email another zero. Oh, so that's the Amanda.
Amanda.
Shout out to you, Amanda. We want like siyafuna ukuthi
Amanda
ufike ngala.
Hey, against the right. That's September.
Nami ngicela ithuba Amanda.
Tell it to Amanda.
Hayi bo wena ufuna ukuyinsalela zakhiwe.
Amanda.
Manje siyahlukana.
Hlukana fast.
Uchaza ukuthini? Uchaza ukuthi ene uJP that's why ukhipha imiso ngasana
Hey, wena.
Ngedlanga. Ukhona umuntu abamenza njalo bani uSmithani? Umfana emakhaya bamuse.
Ebusuku leya
Success. Ngikube ngayo.
You can't indulge in that, but yeah, so actually,
That's
tokenized.
a DJ Waraz.
Hey,
May his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest in peace. Rest in peace to DJ Waraz.
Legend.
Moment of silence. Yeah, but sorry.
Yo guys, that's until we can get bashed for this.
For what, man?
For what I got today.
Actually, Waraz is a legend, so one of the greatest, like, benga lindele ukuthi abantu bengayifila kanje iphenya yokuthi silahlekelwe umuntu kanje because like yabazi abantu mfethu ngayitshela ukuthi abanakile banakile yabo Waraz mfethu mina nginaba amaningi mfethu engawasho mfethu
Umchido wase-Fryhead, a proud flag.
mfethu
May his soul rest in peace.
Doesn't it hurt you ukuthi mfethu kubona ama-artist abalulekile mfethu egaming mfethu like all of a sudden siyazi umuntu udujuliwe kwenzeke into ekanje like doesn't it hurt but when it tends to
It does a lot. Shame man, kodwa phela ish.
Isikhathi sakhe ndovulela nabanye mfethu.
Isikhathi sakhe ufika nabanye abasha. If not him then who? I don't know.
So what's it?
Yeah.
What do you do after this band is when the cameras are off, what do you do behind the scenes?
Yeah.
What I heard, maybe security. So I'm not saying it justified with a good but sometimes you like notice like, oh okay, there's a Charlie's band there. So it was bangayaba out esinawazi. Angadumile ashona njalo. That's not in the entertainment space.
who are doing the same thing
doing the same job that he's doing. Yeah, bro. So it just hurts more with him because he's driving a man. So and he was a household name. But yeah, but so he didn't deserve that.
As cool my trends be like even.
Yeah.
There's a trend.
There's a trend.
Last year in a trend.
Last time,
Umuntu nomuntu pick up a trend. I am interested. Last year I discussed.
I don't want to die if I was busy. I tell you, love born if it's been pendulum. No, my name exceeding one.
But I'm sure you knew what happened. I'm sure you knew what was happening the whole year.
The whole year, dog.
A trend that stood out for you.
Maybe you can start.
Yeah, amalobolo mina mfethu amalobolo they trended lawo samukela they trended lawo amalobolo.
Okay, mina ngokwami yazi sikuphi? Okay, because mhlambe I felt closer to it. And ngangishilo kuwena ukuthi lo muntu lo yi-ghost ngingayiphakisa yakhe i-podcast yamkhumbula uMondli Mabizela
lo bathi sicabana nomncela
uMondli Mabizela so uMondli Mabizela is a graphic designer. UMondli Mabizela is a graphic designer wenza nje izinto eziningi bethuka abantu online enzani wabona bayithatha i-podcast bayifaka
yeah did see
Ay uMondli Mabizela kusho inkosi yami and you
Putting me on the spot.
Which one has stood out when?
Okay, for me, last year, so was...
What was it?
No, again, I'm good, but yeah, wrong. I'm introducing, I think I'm introducing then.
Sunbona.
igama usiya masiya nation udinga ibheko ibheko zokhahlela ngikunze bobu into engaba ngenkani esikeza ngento esimaqhamuka into uzamaphili ungabe
Yebo, yazi ngicela ukusho-ke mina I expected that introduction just from nje ukumbuka. Uzothi whoa shot
for mina
Welcome to the Simeon Given Show, but right now you're chilling with Sandy. Okay, ngicela ukuthi usho nje ukuthi i-trend yaphuma nje iqikele nje washo ukuthi yabona le hayi
ngisho trend but sengasho into ezapolitiki
yeah
Madlala Commission.
Yo, how can you forget that?
Ngoba azindabulawa kwizinto ezinjalo khona umuntu okhiphayo uyekhiphi wasembilisi
ngeke mina ngesaba ukuthi
ngikaqele nawe
ngiyasaba ukukhuluma ngale nto lokuba ngoba no DJ wathi wakhuluma bese wathene hayibo uzama ukuthi ngife yini abantu bafa ngempela on that same weekend uqale nje ukhomenta ngalokho Madlala Commission. Hello Madlala Commission.
Yeah, na top 3 yakhe yona wana here top 3 yakhe naye lokho okunye zade khulunywa ngayo top 3 yama gqom artists and then top 3 yama content creators. No, I got that also in some introduce that my say will give. Yeah.
Continue.
Okay, number 1 kumele nginike General Mamani. Of course. Number 2 ngimlayela kakhulu uDunky Boy. Yonke indaba ngiphuma nje endlini.
Dunky Boy.
Ngidlala ngizongofika. Number 3 of course ngizoyinika uDira. Good. So ukuthi enkulu ya abantu abaningi banongazwana kodwa ya yona top 3 yami leyo.
Abantu abaningi abangazwana nje.
Hayi no ngiyengibala. Ngiyabasho.
Wait, labo bantu abathana ama-career yabo. Okay, so content creators?
Content creators Cindy Magazine.
Oh, okay. Now you want the people get love as.
No.
He content creator, I always tell that. It's S.
Name.
Because there's not much that she does besides showing us. Right? Yeah, okay.
Number 2.
Uthanda yipi content bani? Uthanda bani?
Asizwe lapho.
Cindy Magazine.
Number 2 angazi ngiyamazi uSolabili.
Okay. Okay, you know it again.
Ngithanda i-vibe yakhe. Umuntu ongabasaba abantu.
What type of content that do they create? Oh, okay.
Bese kuba nomunye ngiyazi abazwana Ghost.
Yeah, Ghost. Are you Ghost? Ghost usamkelo.
Yeah,
Ghost usamkelo.
Yafike kuyinto eziningi kodwa.
Yeah.
Usamkelo.
Yakhombisa usigadlala. Yakwazi ukuphila ngale nto. Umubuke nje.
Yeah.
Salindele ukuthi ngabe umuzi wakhe wena ngempela yini.
Noma. Yeah.
Yabo. Kodwa kuyilawo bantu nje kakhulu. Mongasubheke
yeah. So like I want to know like
What's that?
You can say it. Okay, I'm coming through.
Okay.
I want to know first. It's like when I want to do first, so what is your like relationship with like what I'm doing as?
Okay, mina manje I'm an aspiring DJ. Yazama lapha. Ngithanda i-piano thing. Sengingena khona kugqomo. Futhi ngicameraman. Wazi
Cameraman.
Cameraman lapha.
Too cameraman.
Kodwa manje ngifuna ukuthi ube producer. But focus kakhulu
Yeah, that's dope, man. But I keep on I'm like,
Ngimuzwe ethi ucameraman wa-Rich nini?
Iyayixoka nje, iyayixoka.
Sengisibeka isikhundla sengisibeka.
Like, okay, bezingenile kule phase like well dressed, like artist.
Well dressed and
Like maybe we can like name them first out of the blue. Like I'm a well dressed artist actually. Like
yeah, Scott Mapuma. Kodwa ukuthi kagqom. Hey, baqhubisa kuyingane bonke.
Ish.
Utirukwa kahle. Yeah, utirukwa kahle.
Yeah. I didn't want to put it in the category in the top 5 because let me show which my close and very close and
sure.
I'm dig and the next time.
Ngithe utira number 1. Number 2 kagqom uRock Silver.
Rock Silver
kwa kahle. And one the third person kagqom mhlambe nginganikeza nganikezwa uFunky Q.
For me, Dlala Bethu. I know irebo yakhe sando ngenzela amakhalelo these days. Udlala, let's be Dlala, QDJ. It's 3 Bethu, let me think. Oh my God. I know irebo nayo. It's coming.
Oh, irebo kahle Jewish. So like I wanted to comment.
Umbuzile
Now bafu bethu.
Isho kambuzi lo partner ndawo.
Ngiyakena. Esho bafu bethu sina bethu who are like the most well dressed artists akhe.
For me na ngithanda ePolile. Uphiwe Polile. Number 2 naye udlala. Etsandla leqhwa. Angifuni into eningi.
Yeah.
Ngasubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mama colors my coordinator ku right thing. Number 1. Then wesithathu of course. Dear yabo.
It's the pairings. Well, stylish is a matter. No man show up. No comment. Hey, just out there and I'm going I'm just kidding. So, like, I want to know from you all the best thing, I'm an artist and even promoter, but like, what does like the music industry maybe lacks in terms of like maybe promotion? Yeah, but kuzo zonke izinto sesibalile namhlanje bese sikhuluma izinto eziningi bethu. What do you think when about the music industry lacks
Right, when
yeah, in Durban.
Man, it lacks curation of it. So mama kokama artist waziwayo nobody comes. You know? Like for me, I've noticed that Josie, a lot of people even come even if you line up at me. Sure. Because it's a community. Laugh it so to me there and we line up hey jump in event yeah should be they set up my book up to bearings, no data bits. So thing about short that I say when curation in talking community like I'm a venue as well as I'm a community, not I'm a club. Club you understand that one come to Swift and go not happen one assistant or artist. So it's consistent that it's like a curation community I'm a venue. Isn't it 3 years ago? I'm a venue, a community curation. Akukho 3 because into ekhona ngicela amaklab. Nangu le nto sezamile mfethu kwesi cafe ngathi soft space nyana for ama-creatives asafufuza. But uma dumile awukwazi kuyodlala Rich, awukwazi kuyodlala Livu, awukwazi kuyodlala I don't know what other club ekhona but iyajama.
Yeah.
So lezo 3 3 betting when jumping so far.
Because you've been tapped in along the
Yeah,
show now.
Yeah.
But for the upcoming artist, like what do you think like the Deaf music industry lacks in terms of like promoting an artist? Because like it's been on a downfall a bit since 2020, but
with it dipping, the problem with Durban is that they're pushing what is already there. That's the problem. And because there are a lot of people abantu, some of the artists are using other people's beats. When in the ufuna uhlezi uqame wena, like inkinga ilapho. Kufana yonke into can be promoters, can be content manje yonke into YouTube is konke. Fanele kuhlezi uqame, sihlezi sibuka wena thina manje. Ngathi wena mhlambe uNkulunkulu yabona abantu le. So ingakho ngithi mina into engaba ngcono is to let the others in, yabo laba abanganakiwe. Yabo.
Are you talking about a certain individual?
No, I don't wanna die. But in terms of pusher, I think they are pushing well. Thinking about they're pushing one and the same thing. Says abantu abazompush lo. Yabo showcase. It's not like you say ukuthi how confident mhlawumbe kuthiwa usiya waka Dubu ihlalela mhlawumbe iLamont yabo mfana omusha but umusic wakhe siyawubona ukuline sesiyazi vele kuzokhishwa lo yabo bazophusha lo kuzongena lelo ntozana le TikToker ezofika icula ingoma yalo seminte eyodwa siyabhora le nto nami ngithi ngiyena nje ku TikTok way same thing like sifuna kenja abantu yabo so how usiya wakade uhlalela umuntu ayibo siyahambe mfethu yabo so I think ilapho speaking of that ngifuna ungena kule nto yokuthi I feel as if Tina as South Africans into esiyenzayo we like to push abantu like as South Africans siyabheda kule nto le into esibheda kuyona ukuthi siyakuthanda ukuphusha abantu esingabazi. Siyakuthanda ukuphusha abantu who are already making it in life. Like indaba ungasupport umngane wakho seduze wakho uthi yazi impethu umnganami ngiyakubona uza ngamandla futhi uyazama mnganami. Yini engayenza ukuthi yabo waziwe yabo kube ukuthi you investing in your friend because ukuthi you investing in your friend what if I will invest kanti khona uzo invest and then all of a sudden you say hamnganami bethade ngaqhina abamanje yabona ile nto ebheda ngathi as people asifuna ukusupportana but siyafuna ukusupport manje abantu abamsupport kakhulu is uSpeed. Speed is an American, right?
It's American,
like, indlela ebenza ngakhona manje hawu mfethu uSpeed fana nomnyama Tredi bonile behambisha amalotuzana hawu mfethu wabahambisha mfethu nabo sifu mfethu hawu mfethu ile nto ebhedayo ngathi sigijimela laba abangasinakile bese khona nalesithombe lesi uMessi ngale ngasizodlala eSouth Africa ngisazobala wenza umxhawulo wangasinaki mfethu support your friends mfethu balekile lokho ukusupport abantu abangakwazi nokwazi hawu man lona le artist alikwazi nokwazi mfethu nango kwazi la iduze wakho phamisa yena I think I'm push
it goes a long way.
We have a meet.
What do you want to say, man?
Ngikhulume kakhulu ngasho ukuthi for me inside life sishoda uqala new ideas bese usibili fresh blood ngoba masibheka yonke indawo nje njengoba desho sicela amakehle parliament music industry yonke indawo sidinga fresh blood new people abantu abazoshintsha izinto baqhamuka nama-ideas amasha ngokulandela indlela endala ukuthi hayi nayo indlela esihamba ngayo ukuthi mase khona okubhedayo ayekho oyilungisayo ngibeka kanjani ukuthi sidinga fresh blood abantu abasha bayazi ukuthi into yabo ngathi susilandela umuntu oyedwa ngoba siyazi udumile sizama ukunika abanye abancane ithuba ngeke wazi ngoba nami ingenze into ukuthi ngibone ingoma ungayilaleli kodwa ngilwe ngiyizwa ngaphandle la ngingena khona ngithi awele ngoma kade ngiyizwa into ngilwe ngiyidlulisa kanti ekugcineni iyona into ade ngiyifuna asike sizame ukuhype abantu abancane sibone ukuthi baphethe yini abangasinika
I like that insight futhi yabo indlela ebuya ngayo futhi yabo balekile ukuthi sihypeane but singabantu like to give that nje yabo that vavavoom just to like create nje indlela yabo nomuntu azizwa ngayo about his or her music yabo but kubalekile. So I wanted to move on to like the top 5 for music song of the year songs actually that's the category like which songs like we can categorize and make them but to close off the show and I wanted to know like which top 5 songs like we can conclude with
mina for me igqoma ngazi ngilinake sekuzophela unyaka but I don't want to seem as if it's because yabo i-new wave yelontozana yo Danky Boy beno Danky Boy I think Black Junior no Goldmans like i-album eblandi leyana yabo ishinhloko angisho to number 1 wami because engiyilalela kakhulu was uJealous Mama no-TLB that is number 1 wami TLB Jealous Mamane mhlawumbe number 2 kungaba iyona ilontozana ishinhloko. Then my number 3, I don't want to see music flapping ngoba yabo but ngiyithandile album yalabana but so top 3 mhlawumbe ingoma ezo4 zingena kuyona ilontozana
top 4
i-top 4 yami which is number 2 number 3 number 4 number 5 ungena kwi-new wave and then number 1 is TLB by Jealous Mama. I'm Nanda Makwina.
I'm Nanda Makwina, except for the comment like
number 1 for me na ngamele ngithi Shinto number 1 noma ngoma idlala noma kuthiwa idlala ngeke ungasukumi
sure
number 2 TLB sekhona number 3 asigcine sithi 5 sibeke udira sithi ongazi just ukuthi abe khona. Number 3 ngamele nginike ushungisi number 3 number 4 singajijelayo fresh
I accept let's take your
I know for me it's kona impahla RSVP kamala yaleki that's number 1 ngisayizi ngaphuma. And then in number 2 obviously it has to be DJ Leki no Tobela Bits.
Good. It's a new boss. It's a
that's the best ever.
And then number 3, quick. Number 3. Kona enye impahla bethe noSimamane no Black Junior noSimamane futhi.
No, ngiyibona nani nedombo lo.
I love the song.
I love the song. Because then you can't get it like but it's really a song that will take over and izohlanganisa ama-arts amaningi especially from there. And then number 4 so people ukuthi unyaka bethe yazi yo number 4 for me okay that's just
Mkomboli bro.
Mkomboli. But yeah, I think for me for now, that's my top 3.
Top 3, but this one ingoma bese sidansisa vele unyaka wonke siyabo. So I wanted to know from you so the last question there I want to point out there is like is Thobeka like I see her as someone who's going to be a game changer. Like for me, what do you think about her? The type of style that she coming with, the energy, everything. What do you think about
Number one, being silent the notice of MC. Because you asked about
Because I asked for the MC.
For the MC?
Yeah, can I go back here?
Hey. Who
Can I
MC?
go back here?
Ya kodwa manje asile phapheni manje yabo mase soyibheka lona abantu ngebayibuka.
You can continue, like it's the shooting.
Yeah, okay.
The part, MC part.
MC.
How? You can talk about them, Sandy.
Okay, like what type of MC? Ngikhuluma ngo-MC bama-hip hop.
In general, any MC.
Yeah, like for hosting our events.
Since sizokhuluma ngo-MC, mina my top, I have a top 3, but number one has to be Umelelini.
Sure.
Umelelini, she does so. That's why most of the time, I want to book her. It number one, and then the second one, DJ In.
Sure.
DJ In is the best. Rich, ne?
Sure.
Yeah. DJ In.
And then LV.
Yeah, LV.
Because when you shoot my guy, very too. Now he does so. That's in the top 5. Got that.
Welcome, Mr. Unandi. Ubizwa ngolanje lo Jelama babes. Masenanda. Mr. Unandi. Igama lakhe ngaphala uNdwani uSenzo. uSenzo but ubizwa ngelinye igama singaphinde likhohlwe igama lakhe.
Nami sevelela phuma ekhaya.
Yeah.
And who again? So Mr. Omnandi and man.
Yeah. No Sekudlala Bandile. Ngixabana no Naledi Aphiwe lo wayenzene ngudlenguli.
Ngiyibona lapha.
Bandile uSekudlala Bandile. I think he's a good MC as much as a good DJ as well. Because enzazi khona abantu abawo DJ abangasibona producer. Do people know there's a difference between a DJ and a producer?
Yeah.
DJ who sets a mood to understand the crowd. Yonke le nto le mina ngokwandile u-DJ u-MC uthweni. Yeah.
Man, for me, with Zoshumchita and Serandi, with Charlie McCandy, normally he co-hosts ama event aleke now that's when the around and so it's really it's for me.
One.
Yeah, being so shudi, but it's a machine. Because I approach I can sign a bit.
DJ In.
Yeah, I get signed a bit.
Yeah, because
they're good.
DJ In. What's close dal.
Shout out to him. So, like, okay, one last question. Singabos?
No. As long as what is cut futhi yabo because manje yabo nje becisha wonke. Lento izothi isuke ibishaya kanti asiyahlanhlatha vele ama question ethu manje yabo mawubheka sefike sawasha ama artist sesizophinda sisoshiya ingoma futhi vele uzosho same piece lo mshido ngabe top 3 yabo.
Yeah, so like
unganguzumfaka ku top 3 uvele ungekho ingoma oyithandayo.
Like what is the future of Gqom music right now? It's looking like because siyabona ama artists abaningi ayangena amanye ayaphuma. What is the like future of Gqom music right now?
For me, it's only gonna take over the global sound from electronic. Like I think it's all over. They're trying to incorporate electro. So I think that would be the best thing ever for us globally. I'm Zanti, I saw the best answer, bro. Cool, bro.
I mean, I'm going to closing it off. Njengoba nje uma sinabantu abakwazi bakhuluma isiNgisi kanje kodwa bangafans eGqom kushuthi nje yabona ukuthi Siyaphambili.
Yeah.
Ngombela nje abantu besikhotheni.
Yabo.
Lezana besikhotheni abantu abambinkunzi abantu suyazi ngasikhomfolo la yakho. Kodwa manje sekhona nabantu abasibona njengoscrew. Kodwa bakhona within igqomu.
Within.
Yeah, so yeah, come is the future.
Yeah. What do you want to say, Rich?
I think I share the same sentiments with my brothers, so I think we're done with it. I share the same sentiments. Igqomu is gonna be a soundtrack to many Singis.
It's missing, yeah, many everything. Yeah.
When I came in the valley, I was straight over to my team, woman, don't teach Igoma. Yeah.
I mean, everything I should be, so yeah, better. I was as of Nani. I was as.
I'm waiting for Sewin.
Serious of it. Yeah, of it. Go music is the future. Go music is now. Go music is forever. Of it. That's what I'm saying.
What's one man the black hole give you?
And shit. Yeah.
This is just weird. It's gonna be the soundtrack to many lives. I want to say that.
Yeah.
So it's just weird listeners.
Yeah. That's
how it goes up the show, of it. So of it. Shout out to everyone who came through, my friends. So shout out to my nigga, cameraman Nanga.
My socials, no, actually,
Somebody cameraman, Papa?
He's not a cameraman.
He's a cameraman for now, though.
No, he said cameraman for now, DJ.
DJ/DJ.
Yeah.
But shout out to social media platform.
Social media sites.
Shout out to Sia.Ding, our friends, to Aka, our friends, to Vashi.
Why are you not on social media?
Yeah, boy.
Very shy.
To let loose of that, right, G? When you come in this space,
yeah, shout out to Matera, shout out to Sandy, shout out to Rich Mazando, our friends. I don't want them to say their social media handle. Go and check out episode of Friends. God, it's a show,
Sure.
Hey, what my friends, just to give them flowers, my friends. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi bafikile namhlanje. We probably enjoyed the show, my friends. So everyone enjoyed it. Angithi unjani, my friends?
Yeah, don't forget to follow now Popular Studios across social media platforms. Shout out to Now Popular, and this is the Singing and Giving Show. We are.